Mga kapatid, magandang umaga. Anong araw ba ngayon? 16 Monday of February. Umakyat ako kanina doon sa aking boss para itanong yung aking email. Kasi nag-email ako sa kanila requesting to attend the conference. Merong invite only HSE week ngayong 15 and 16 of April, and I was invited by the organizer to be one of the speakers kasi maraming mga speakers na nakalista, and I am one of the speakers of this HSE week in Doha, Qatar. The audience is invite only. Parang it's not open for public to register. Sa tingin ko siguro kuan lang yung mga kumpanya na target nila, yun lang mag-allocate sila ng dito 20 person, dito 30, dito 10, dito 50. Alright. So selected lang ang participants. This is what I understand about invite. Only invite participants can join the conference. So nakita ko mga malalaking kumpanya, and there are senior staff that will be talking about their own field pertaining to artificial intelligence, digitalization sa occupational health and safety management. But I prefer to discuss the most exciting part, but medyo conservative. Ang dahilan umakyat ako kanina para hingiin yung permiso because I'm currently working sa gobyerno, and I just cannot say yes and no while I have employment contract with the government. So umakyat ako kanina para hingiin yung pahintulot, and I was informed that he will bring this matter into the discussion among the head of section and the advisor of the department. So hinihintay ko na lang. Pero nakakahiya kasi yung mukha ko nasa website na, nilagay na doon as one of the speakers and panelists of the conference. Parang medyo matindi ang bakbakan ito sa discussion, and I'm expecting interpellations from the members, from the participants. At yung mga participants kasi nito are already utilizing digitalization in health and safety monitoring, submission of documents weekly and monthly, including accident and incident investigation, control system nila naka artificial intelligence na yung iba, digitalization na yung digitalized na yung kanilang reporting system, monitoring and etc. So I've been expecting a very hard discussion on this matter. But I had initial discussion with the organizer na yung aking presentation is little bit focused on the basic. Alam nyo kapatid, kahit ano pang sabihin ninyong digitalization, kahit ano pang sabihin ninyong artificial intelligence, gamitin nyo man ito, mag-enjoy man kayo nito, but there are things that cannot be replaced by this technology. Artificial intelligence, digitalization, meron pa ring mga bagay na hindi kayang sapawan or tanggalin because of digitalization and artificial intelligence. Kung ano man yan mga kapatid, kita-kita tayo sa Health and Safety Week ngayong 15 and 16 of April. Maganda kayo ng mga katanungan, kastiguhin nyo ako, at hanggang sa kaya ko, I will make sure na masatisfy ko kayo. Pero kung ano man yung mga experiences ninyo na nag-limit na ng aking experience, then I would gladly turn over the mic to the other speakers who has a genuine encounter on the questions that I think I cannot handle to satisfy the question. So, tandaan ninyo, 15 and 16 of April, kita-kita tayo sa conference.